Alright, so let's talk about Chase 524. After I posted this reel yesterday over on Instagram, I was surprised on how many people did not know what Chase 524 is. So in this video, let's go over what Chase 524 is, some frequently asked questions about Chase 524, and how to maximize your Chase credit card strategy so you can maximize Chase 524. Too many maximizes in there. All right, so let's get into it. So what's Chase 524? Chase 524 is a Chase specific rule where Chase won't approve you for a Chase card if you've opened 5 or more credit cards within a 24-month period. So as you can tell, 5 stands for 5 credit cards, 24 stands for a 24-month period. So one way you can look at it is that if you have 5 card slots in a 24-month period, you can fill them with any credit card. It doesn't even matter if they're Chase or not. They could be American Express, they could be Citi, they could be Capital One, or they could even be a Victoria's Secret credit card or a Banana Republic credit card, which I don't recommend. But if you fill all 5 card slots and they're all full within the 24-month period, and then you apply for a Chase credit card, they'll automatically deny you that Chase credit card due to Chase 524. So that's what Chase 524 is. If you fill all 5 card slots within a 24-month period and you apply for a Chase card, they won't approve you for the card. Now to the frequently asked questions. So what credit cards count towards 524? A general rule is that any card that shows up on your personal credit report will count towards 524. When Chase is doing a credit pool to check how many cards you've opened in the last 24 months, they'll look at your personal credit report and see how many cards you've opened in the last 24 months, and then make a decision based off of that on whether to approve you for a Chase card or not. So the rule of thumb is that if it shows up on your personal credit report, it'll count towards Chase 524 status. Another common question that I often get is, do authorized users count towards 524? And the answer is yes. Again, going back to that rule of if it shows up on your personal credit report, it'll count towards Chase 524. It won't do a hard pull for an authorized user card typically, but it'll show up on your credit report. And so once it hits your credit report, that means it'll count towards Chase 524. So authorized users will count towards Chase 524, but if you're ever denied a Chase card due to being an authorized user on somebody else's card and your status is over 524 because of that authorized user card, you can call into the Chase reconsideration line and have that authorized user card excluded from your 524 status. Another question I often get is, do business cards count towards Chase 524? So business cards typically do not show up on personal credit reports, so they won't count towards your 524 status, but Chase business cards are subject to 524, but once you're approved for a Chase business card, they don't count towards your 524 status. So for example, if I'm at 424 right now, and I apply for a Chase Inc. Business Cash, they'll check my status, make sure I'm under 524, and then once I'm approved, I stay at 424. So those are the frequently asked questions I get about Chase 524. If you have any additional questions, comment below and I'll be happy to answer them. So moving on to how to maximize your credit card strategy for Chase 524. So a common strategy that you hear a lot is for people to fill their Chase 524 slots before they move on to American Express, Capital One, and Citi cards. The reason for that is that you want to get all the Chase cards that you want up front, get those out of the way, then you have all the Chase cards that you need and want, and then you can get American Express, Citi, or Capital One cards. That way you won't run into the Chase 524 rule later on when you want a Chase card. As for the order of the cards, I recommend getting a Chase Freedom or a Chase Sapphire card. That way you can build a good base of 2 cards that earns Chase Ultimate Reward points, and then the remaining 3 slots is kind of like a choose your own adventure. Pick whichever cards that you want that fits your travel style and your spend style. You want to pick the cards that give you the most benefits, the benefits that you would use and you find the most value in. And so it's your pick on which of those cards you want to fill slot 3, 4, and 5. So in this video, we went over what Chase 524 is, some frequently asked questions, and then how to maximize your credit card strategy for Chase 524. Comment below if you have any questions, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button.